If you're looking for practical ways to earn money online, methods that are simple, realistic, and proven to work, this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing 3 of the easiest ways to start making money from home with step-by-step instructions so you can hit the ground running. These methods don't require massive investments or advanced skills, just a bit of time, effort, and the willingness to try something new. I've tested these myself, and they're perfect whether you're looking for a side hustle or a way to just build steady income over time. And here's the best part. Method 3 might surprise you because it's something most people overlook but has huge earning potential. So make sure you stick around till the end to catch it. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Damir, and on this channel we explore real strategies to earn online, improve productivity, and grow financially. And if that sounds good, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Let's dive straight in. Now let's kick things off with one of the most flexible and in-demand online jobs out there. And that's becoming a virtual assistant, or VA. As more and more businesses move online, they're realizing they need help to manage all those day-to-day tasks. That's where VAs come in. Think of a virtual assistant as a remote jack of all trades. You could be doing anything from scheduling appointments, managing inboxes, or offering tech support, to tasks like organizing data, handling spreadsheets, or even making travel arrangements. But, and this is a big but, the best VAs don't just stop at the basics. They level up. From my own experience working with VAs, the ones who stand out and get paid the big bucks are the ones who take initiative and branch out into more advanced tasks. For example, some of the VAs don't just manage emails or book appointments. They also help with competitor analysis, social media management, content creation, and even light marketing tasks. And here's the cool part. They don't even do it all manually. They use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude to speed things up. Of course, it's always good to double-check everything AI spits out, but with the right approach, tools like these can cut work time in half and make tasks far more efficient. Now, do you want to know one of the biggest perks of becoming a VA? Well, it's incredibly flexible. You don't have to quit your 9-to-5 or flip your life upside down to get started. With just a couple of hours a day, you can start pulling in solid side income. Picture this. You're working your main job during the day and sneaking in VA tasks during your lunch break. And let's be honest, we all multitask during working hours. Or if you got more time on your hands like evenings or weekends, you can take on multiple clients and start building a serious income stream, all while working from the comfort of your home and in pajamas. Now let's talk money. How much can you actually earn? Well, if you have specialized skills like graphic design, bookkeeping, social media marketing, or WordPress, you can easily charge anywhere between $30 to $40 per hour in United States, and sometimes even more. But if you're just starting out and don't have a ton of experience, no worries. You can begin with general tasks like email management, calendar scheduling, or customer support. These roles might pay a bit less, but here's the kicker. Being a great VA has more to do with your attitude and work ethic than your starting skills. If you're proactive, a good listener, and someone who figures things out without being asked, you'll stand out in no time. And the best part is, you can learn as you go. Start with general tasks, and as you get comfortable, niche down into higher paying services. Think digital marketing, content design, or bookkeeping. The more you specialize, the more you can charge. All right, so how do you actually get started? First, identify your skills. What are you naturally good at? Are you super organized and love making to-do lists? Or are you decent at social media or have a knack for creating spreadsheets that look oddly satisfying? Maybe you're good at typing, bookkeeping, or research. Write down what you're good at and what you actually enjoy doing, because, trust me, the work is so much easier when you like it. Second is to start networking. And here's something most people miss. Your first client could already be in your network. Reach out to friends, family members, former colleagues, or even small businesses in your local community. Think about your cousin who runs a small bakery but spends too much time answering emails, or your friend who owns an online store and needs help managing orders. Most people don't even realize they need VA until you present the idea to them. So be proactive, float the idea, offer your help, and show how you can take tasks off their plate. Or you can join a VA agency. If networking doesn't yield results right away, you can sign up for VA agencies. Agencies are great because they often provide training and help you land your first client faster. And the trade-off? Well, they'll take a cut of your earnings, but if you're just starting out, it's a solid way to gain experience, build confidence, and, you know, learn the ropes. Being a virtual assistant is one of the easiest and most practical ways to make money online, especially if you're looking for flexibility. So start small, be proactive, and gradually build your skills. And you'll be surprised how quickly this side hustle can turn into a steady income stream. Now, stick around because the next method I'm going to share involves leveraging AI and e-com. And trust me, it's one you don't want to miss. Alright, the second method combines e-commerce with the power of AI tools, making it one of the simplest ways to start an online business. Now, let me give you a quick backstory. So, a while back, I ran a profitable e-commerce business selling cycling glasses. And let me tell you, finding the right products, building the store, and handling orders was no joke. It took a lot of time and effort. But these days, with AI tools, you can streamline the entire process. AI helps you build your store, find winning products, automate orders, and manage most of the heavy lifting for you. And the best part is, you don't even have to buy any inventory upfront. This is known as drop shipping. And here's how it works. You partner with a supplier who stocks the products. Then a customer buys the product from your online store, and then the supplier ships it directly to the customer. And your role there is to focus on marketing, handling payments, and customer support. It's as close to a hands-off business as you can get, especially when paired with AI. Now, here's exactly how you can get started and launch your online store. The first thing you need is a platform to host your store. For most beginners, Shopify is the go-to option. It's user-friendly, reliable, and widely trusted. To make it even easier, you can use an AI-powered tool like Build Your Store. And seriously, this tool builds your store for you. And all you need to do is enter some basic details like your name and email, then pick a niche, and this is basically the product category you want to focus on. For example, let's say you love cycling like I do, so you could choose cycling gear or accessories as your niche. And then follow the on-screen instructions, and within the minutes, you'll have a fully functional AI-generated store. And here's one tip. If you're unsure about the niche, just select I'm not sure. AI tools can help identify winning products later. Now, once your store is ready, the next step is to find products that people actually want to buy. And this is where most people overthink, but tools like AutoDS simplify everything. AutoDS is a product research automation tool that can find trending and proven to sell products using real-time data and analytics, and automatically upload product photos, descriptions, and pricing to your store, saving you hours of manual work. For example, let's say AutoDS suggests a sleek, high-quality pair of cycling sunglasses that are trending in the market. You click a button, and the product with professional photos and descriptions is instantly added to your store. And the best part, once your store is set up, AutoDS can also automate order fulfillment, so when someone places an order, the supplier handles the shipping directly to your customer. You don't even need to touch the product. Step 3, and this is where the fun and creativity comes in. You've got the store, you've got the products, now you need customers. And the best free strategy for this is short-form video content. Think TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are massive right now and perfect for showcasing your products in action. You've probably seen videos like someone showing a pair of cycling glasses that are anti-glare or unbreakable in cool real-world scenarios, or quick visually engaging clips that make people think, wow, I need that. Now, these kinds of videos often go viral, driving thousands of viewers to your store for free. And here's the strategy. First, you need to find inspiration. So, watch short videos that showcase products similar to yours. Take note of the angles, editing, and storytelling. And second is to create content. It's simple. Use your phone to film simple but eye-catching videos of your product. Show the features, demonstrate its benefits, or share customer reviews. And number 3, and this is the most important part, is to stay consistent. Post several videos each week. The more you post, the higher your chances of a video taking off and bringing in traffic. Now, when a video starts performing well, double down. Make similar content or test different angles to keep the momentum going. There are a couple of reasons why this method is so powerful. First, AI tools like AutoDS and Build Your Store do most of the heavy lifting, which makes the process faster and easier than ever. Dropshipping removes the need for upfront inventory investment, which means low risk and low cost. And also, short-form video content is a free marketing powerhouse that can drive thousands of views and potential buyers to your store. And don't forget, Products like cycling accessories or pet gadgets have massive audiences. People are always looking for cool, functional products that make their lives better. And with AI tools, you can spot these trends before anyone else. Now, the third method. And this method is all about content creation, specifically knowledge-based content. Now, this doesn't mean you need to become a professor or a world-class expert. It simply means teaching people something valuable in a way that resonates with them. And if you're sitting there thinking, isn't it too late to start creating this kind of content? Let me stop you right there. The answer is absolutely not. Now, here are some numbers. The creator economy is booming. It's already worth over 250 billion with a B dollars and is projected to hit $500 billion by 2027. And why? Because people want to learn from people, not just faceless brands. And with platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, it's never been easier to start creating and growing an audience. Now, to succeed in this space without getting overwhelmed or burning out, I use something I call the value compass formula. A simple 3-step framework to find your niche and create content that connects with people. Now, here's how it works. Step number 1, find your skill set. What you know. You don't need to be the world's leading expert. Just know more than the average person. Think about skills or knowledge you've picked up over the years. It could be from your job, hobbies, or even something you recently learned. For example, let's say you've been into meal prepping for a while. Maybe you're great at organizing weekly meals on a budget, saving time, and eating healthier. That's already more knowledge than most people have, and you can teach that in a relatable way. Second, find something what excites you. You don't have to be obsessed with your topic, but you need to be genuinely curious about it. And why? Because creating content consistently takes work, and if you're not interested, you'll burn out quickly. Simply ask yourself, when you're bored, what topics do you Google or watch videos about? For example, if you love improving your productivity and testing out tools like Notion or time blocking techniques, that curiosity can fuel content creation for months. And third, you need to find something what people want. You need to make sure there's actual demand for your content. And you can validate this by, checking Google Trends to see if people are searching for your topic, or exploring popular blogs, subreddits, or forums to identify common questions. Or look at other creators in your niche. If they are getting views, comments, and engagement, that's a good sign there's an audience. And the good thing is, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to deliver your knowledge better or differently than what's already out there. To give you an idea, I know a girl who used to work in an office job and spent hours figuring out ways to organize her daily tasks. Well, she wasn't a professional productivity coach, but she actually loved learning about time management hacks. And one day, she started sharing short videos on TikTok about simple productivity tips like how to organize your to-do list, stay focused, or reduce decision fatigue. Within a few months, her videos started gaining traction. Now, she runs a small online course on productivity systems and has partnered with a couple of brands for sponsorships. She actually took something she knew, combined it with her curiosity, and matched it to what people were already searching for. And that's the magic of the value compass formula. Now, if this method sounds interesting to you, here's exactly how you can get started. First, reflect on your niche. Think about the questions you had when you were first learning about your topic. What was confusing? What did you wish someone explained better? For example, if you're into meal prepping, as I mentioned earlier, start with content like how to prep a week of meals in under 2 hours, or the best containers to keep food fresh longer. Or if you're into productivity, create videos like 3 simple hacks to stop procrastinating, or how to plan your day in 5 minutes. Answering these questions that beginners have is the easiest way to get started because you've already been in their shoes. Step number 2 is to start posting consistently. And don't worry about fancy equipment. All you need is your smartphone, a window for good natural light, free video editing apps like CapCut or InShot to tidy up your videos. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are the best places to start because short-form videos are performing insanely well right now. You don't need to go viral overnight. The key is to post consistently, test different ideas, and learn as you go. And step number 3 is to engage and improve. And here's a secret. Your audience will tell you exactly what they want. So pay attention to a couple of things. First is comments. Are people asking follow-up questions? And you can make videos answering those questions. Second is performance. Which videos get the most views or likes? So based on that data, you can create similar content. Now, the more you engage with your audience and improve based on feedback, the faster you will grow. And here's why I love knowledge-based content creation. First, it's low barrier to entry. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to know more than the average person. Second, there's a huge demand. People are always searching for ways to improve their lives, whether it's learning new skills, saving time, or solving specific problems. And third, there are multiple income streams. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, online courses or ebooks, and of course, brand sponsorships. Plus, knowledge-based content is evergreen. A well-made video can keep earning views and income for months or even years after you post it. These three methods are practical, effective, and can grow with you, whether you're just looking to make some extra cash or aiming to turn them into a full-time income. So, which one are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more actionable tips to help you build and scale your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.